they are joining. Please put your hands together for Nari. I request all the volunteers who are managing backstage to come forward and arrange the participant. You have the list with you. Please arrange the participant in quick. Thank you so much everybody for joining us. I request everybody to take the seat. You can see at the board LEDs. It's live performance, so don't worry for the view. Whichever part of the corner of this hall, you can see it live. Friends, today we have the chief guest of the evening, the ambassador of India to the Myanmar, His Excellency Sri Saurabh Kumar. Sir, please join on the stage for the Deepa Prajwalan. I request the councillor, Mr. Pradeep Kumar Patel, also to join for the Deepa Prajwalan. Mrs. Smriti Srivastava, please join for the Deepa Prajwalan. Mrs. Seth, please join. Dr. Bapat, the culture director, please join for the Deepa Prajwalan. And on behalf of Team Moria, Mr. Shailendra will represent for the Deepa Prajwalan. Can we have a huge round of applause? so much, sir, for doing the honor. Before we start with the first performance of the evening, that is opening performance, I hope all the judges are here. I request Ms. Alabha to hand over the bouquet to the fifth judge of the evening, Mrs. Atoshi Sham. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome on behalf of Moria. Welcome, ma'am. As the theme is Nari, all the judges will be the Nari. I will just call out the names of the participants. Just make sure that all are here. Ayan, Ayush, Prapti Lakshmi, Dravya, Pallab Dosi, Riyan, Abhijit, Aliska, Kaira, Arya, Swara, Atri Mishra, Nakul, Anika, Anna, Trisha, Reena and Ayush. So before we proceed, I will explain the judges. There are two opening performances. One is from the music school here. They're going to play 3 songs. It's a surprise for everybody. And after that will be performance, a Ganesh Vandana from the students of Swami Vivekananda Culture Center, Yangon. These are not included in the competition, so no marking for them. After that, we'll start with fancy dress, which is a competition. We'll explain with the winners at the end. So I'd like to introduce the judges for the evening. We have with us Mrs. Smriti Srivastav, the First Lady of India in Myanmar. Mrs. Srivastav is in the field of teaching for more than 2 decades. She was teaching biology. She has special interest in art and culture. Her last assignment was in Iran, and where she just out of love towards the poetry, she learned the Farsi and she fluently speaks the Farsi. It shows her dedication to the art and culture. Thank you, ma'am, for joining us. The second judge for the evening is Dr. Asabari Bapat. She is a director at Swami Vivekananda Cultural Center, Yangon. She is MA PhD in Sanskrit from Mumbai University. She is a manuscriptologist. She knows the ancient script as well. She has authored many stories, poems and drama in Marathi as well as Sanskrit language. One of her Sanskrit jingles were sung by Shankar Mahadevan. Nice to have you, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining us. We have with us Mrs. Atoshi Sham. She has completed her Visharad in Bharatnatyam and Kuchipudi under the guidance of Dr. Guru Rama Rao from Vizag. Then learned Uday Shankar Gharana, contemporary dance under Guru Tanushri Shankar for last 33 years. She had worked with gurus from the other classical genres, Chau, Kathak and Kathakali. She has been performing since the age of 12 years. Now she has a dance and music group in Bangalore. They conduct the workshop and perform all over the globe. Thank you, ma'am, for joining us. We have with us, she'll be joining us soon. I'll introduce her later. We have Miss Amrita Banerjee, the Second Secretary in Embassy of India, Yangon. She is Indian Foreign Services Officer designated for the Naypyidaw. Ms. Amrita Banerjee is avid art lover and greatly inclined toward the cultural activities, collecting handicraft and appreciating culture from different parts of the world. She is also a fan of Indian culture and she has learned the Indian classical music at a very young age. She loves to learn the foreign languages, travel, read, and has a fascination towards the writing. So we have a long list of credentials for Ms. Amrita Banerjee. Ma'am, welcome on behalf of Moria. We have with us Ms. Udita Gaurav, Second Secretary at Indian Embassy, Yangon. She had studied in Pune, which is the cultural hub of Maharashtra, so probably she knows the Ganesh Utsav better than many of us. Welcome, Ms. Udita. Thank you so much for joining us as a judge. And she's one of the most followed UPSC, what I can say, a guru for many UPSC aspirants in Maharashtra. You can see her videos on the YouTube as well. Welcome. We have Ms. Abhinita Gupta. She'll be joining us soon. She's basically from Hyderabad and graduated from National Institute of Fashion Technology. She's in the field of fashion designing, interior designing, event management, brand merchandising, and she runs an advertising agency as well. She is a co-owner in Indian Tarka Group, as well as she owns an event company called Water Events. So we shall welcome her in the next 5 minutes. Okay. I request violinist Hariko. She has a music school called Gita Pyokin. The guitarist Mr. Austin, and along with them we have our own PU Rakesh Sharma will be assisting them. So they have some surprise for you, and for that surprise I think the song for which our heart beats, they're going to play the national anthem of India on violin. So once they start, I request everybody to rise and pay respect to our national anthem, which will set the momentum for this show. I request everybody to stand at their place. They're going to play our national anthem. Before that, I request them to check the sound. Please check the sound. Can we all hear at the back side? They're just starting. Now you all may sit. Probably this is one of the best songs to start any function with. They have a few more songs for you, and I hope you like. And the national anthem of India had already set the tempo, so this evening is going to be fantastic. I request all the attendees to take their seat. Do not exceed more than 7 people per table. Take the place wherever you are getting it, because you're going to see all of the performances live on the 2 LEDs. You can see at the back as well as on the left side of the stage. So don't worry for the view, you will get the clear view of all performances. Over to you, Ms. Hariko. Well, this was the Ganesh Aarti which we sing every day. It's Sukhakarta, Dukharta, Varta, Vignachi. They are Burmese, they don't know the language, but still they have performed exceptionally well. And one more song we have sung by Shankar Mahadevan, that is Gananayakaya Ganadevataaya. They are going to play it on violin. So put your hands together for them. For the Gananayakaya Ganadevataaya. Thank you so much for this such a lovely opening performance. She runs the music school, so anybody who wants to join her school, may contact her. You have their numbers as well. We have our sixth judge for the evening, Ms. Adimita Gupta. I already introduced you, and everybody knows you. There is no need of another introduction to you. So I request Apurva Kamboj to hand over the bouquet and welcome on behalf of Team Moria. Welcome, Adimita. I request everybody to take the seat. We have few chairs arranged on that side of the hall. Don't worry, you can see all the performances live on the two LEDs. We would like to thank our sponsors for the event: Bajaj Electrical India, Canon, Royal Distribution Network Limited, Yangon. We have Pidilite India, Stella, a product of Godrej. Thank you so much for your contribution. Well, we'll move on to the next performance. That is also not part of the competition, and it will be a Ganesh Vandana from the students of Swami Vivekananda Cultural Center, Yangon. Miss Ambili Chirangil, who is a dance teacher at Embassy, had choreographed this dance performance. So I'd like to welcome on the stage Yashika Trivedi, Hasani Kannan, G. Krishna Devi Ganeshan, K. Kanaka, Indumati Sekhar, Vaindevi Vivekanand, Rajkumari, Manika Basna. So give them a huge round of applause for the students of Swami Vivekananda Culture Center, Yangon. Once they give thumbs up, you can start playing the music and they can enter the stage.
ताम 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 दे तरीके का झम तक झम